So one of the things that you can do in Jotform is go ahead and add in a temperature converter widget. So to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and click on add element right here. And then you can go to widgets. And then what you can do right here is go ahead and type in temperature right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see temperature converter. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, now you can see that there's the temperature converter widget right here. You can go ahead and choose the default unit to be in Celsius or Fahrenheit right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say, enter the temperature you want to convert right here. So this is simply a calculator right here within the form. So as I go ahead and then type that in and then go around over here onto preview form, then what happens is that I can go ahead and enter out any value right here. Click on Fahrenheit and you can see that the data interchanges right here. And of course, you can go ahead and submit it out as well. So you can go for Fahrenheit or Celsius, as you can see right here. So let's say I'm going to say like this is going to be 28 Celsius. So that's 82 Fahrenheit, as you can see right there. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the temperature converter widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.